What's up, guys? We listen to you. In this last kind of couple of year journey on our war on crappy components, we've got a small thing with a big impact for you today. We're super excited about it. We've got a DEC here with Max Ramps on the back. Again, your feedback is invaluable to us and helps us continue to innovate and bring you solutions. And today we're looking at a new Max Ramp Hold-Down. It's, again, a little thing, seems like it's not all that big, but it's something that somebody with this trailer touches every time they need to load a piece of equipment on it. And so, just to be honest, our previous Max Ramp Hold-Down, not real intuitive, kind of clunky. And so this one is a huge customer experience lift. It is a cast aluminum handle. It's got a trigger latch mechanism built into it. No sloppy pins. It's actually got dual point of contact on the handle here to pull the ramp down much more evenly. And so again, this trigger latch, you just pull the trigger, pull up, and it's unlatched just that easy. Then to latch it back down, simply put the hook back over the top of the latch or the handle, and now it's latched down, ready to go. So much improved, beautiful, seamless latch altogether. The other thing that we did add was we put rubber bushings inside the ramp right here on both sides, so that when it pulls down against that cleat or that cross member in the dove, and giving it some cushion so the latch doesn't have to be perfectly adjusted metal to metal. It just didn't work well, and that's how everyone else's is. So we put these rubber bushings in there to help with the experience, and also it's super quiet. It keeps the trailer quieter, but altogether a much improved experience. This latch is on all Max ramps, so on FMAX, SDX, PX, then on and DEC, and then also on the LPX on the mini Max ramps and the X ramp this spring 2026.